Hello all, welcome to my channel Pharma Dive. This channel is purely for educational purpose and aims to provide valuable information. So, if you are ready to dive into the world of pharma, hit the subscribe button and join the journey. Let's explore, learn and gain together. Today's topic is Standard Operating Procedure in Pharmaceutical Industry. Introduction. SOP stands for Standard Operating Procedure. SOP in pharmaceutical industry are mandatory, documented, step-by-step instructions designed to ensure consistency, quality, safety, and compliance with regulatory standards set by organizations like FDA, EMA, and WHO. They cover all operation areas like production, quality control, and assurance, ensuring uniform performance, efficient training, and adherence to good manufacturing practices. Importance of SOP in pharma. Standard operating procedures are essential in the pharmaceutical industry because they ensure operational efficiency, regulatory compliance, and product quality. SOPs serve as a foundation for consistency by providing employees with detailed instructions on how to perform critical tasks, reducing errors, and improving reliability of processes. Without SOPs, procedures may vary from one employee to another, increasing the risk of deviations, defects, and regulatory violations. SOPs serve as a foundation material for training new employees and certifying existing staffs. SOPs are often one of the first things auditor request during inspections. Therefore, proper documentation can make or break your audits. Types of SOPs. The different types of pharmaceutical SOPs are categorized based on their specific purpose, functional scope, and area of application within organizational processes. The most common types of pharmaceutical SOPs are listed below along with brief descriptions of their main functions within quality and operational purposes. Examples are production SOPs, quality control SOPs, quality assurance SOPs, cleaning and sanitation SOPs, equipment maintenance and calibration SOPs, safety SOPs, training SOPs, pest and rodent control SOPs, product distribution and storage SOPs, administrative SOPs, environmental health and safety SOPs, research and development SOPs, validation SOPs, supplier and material management SOPs, and audit and inspection SOPs. SOP structure. An SOP document should be structured in a way that ensures clarity and accessibility for all personnel involved in pharmaceutical operations. A typical SOP document should include header, purpose and scope, definitions and abbreviations, roles and responsibilities, procedure steps, references, attachments or annexures, revision history, and approval signatures. The SOP lifecycle in pharma is structured and regulated process. From creation to retirement, it is designed to ensure compliance, consistency, and quality. It involves drafting by experts, cross-departmental review, approval, training, implementation, periodic review, and archival. This life cycle reduces errors and ensures audit readiness. SOP training. Employees must be trained on SOPs before execution, with proper training records maintained and signed as evidence. Periodic retraining and knowledge assessments are required to ensure continuous understanding and compliance with procedures. Let's see common challenges. Keeping SOPs updated is challenging because processes and regulations change frequently, requiring regular revisions to stay compliant. Outdated SOPs can lead to inefficiencies and regulatory risks if they don't reflect current practices. Another challenge is ensuring employees follow SOPs properly. Even a well-written procedure may be ignored if training is insufficient or if they seem too complex. SOPs must also strike a balance between clarity and detail. Too technical makes them hard to follow, while too vague creates inconsistency. Digital SOP systems helps solve this by improving access, version control, and compliance tracking. Best practices for writing effective SOPs. SOPs should be written in a clear and simple manner so that everyone can easily understand them. They should include step-by-step instructions to ensure tasks are performed consistently and correctly. Flowcharts should be used whenever possible to visually represent processes and improve understanding. SOP should be regularly updated and reviewed to keep them accurate and relevant. Proper training should be provided to ensure that all personnel can effectively follow SOPs. Regulatory requirements for SOPs are they are required by regulatory bodies like FDA, EMA, WHO, and ICH. SOPs are essential for inspection and audits. Conclusion: standard operating procedures in pharmaceutical industry are more than just documents. They form the backbone of compliance, ensure consistent quality, and drive operational excellence, ensures quality, safety, and compliance. Whether manufacturing drugs, validating equipments, or managing digital systems, SOPs ensure that every process is performed correctly, consistently, and in compliance every single time. Thank you everyone for your time and attention. If you like this video, then please like, share, and subscribe my channel Pharma Dive.